Hey everybody, it's Peyton again. This is the second video I'm doing. And this one hopefully should go pretty well. This is the robot that I got. My grandma found this one and the Zoomer bunny thing at a thrift store. They were both brand new. And this one is one that I don't really know about. It's called STone8. There's not many videos of it out there. That's weird. Okay. Anyway, like I said, I don't really know too much about it, but I guess we're gonna figure it out. So, just going to get it open. I have some batteries here. From what my mom told me, it takes 4 AAAs. So, let's get this open. I don't really know, I mean, I'm blind, so I can't read the box. So, I'll just put it up so that y'all can see it. So, there's the front. Here's the right side. There's the back. Never mind, I don't think y'all can see the top of the box, so I like the whole thing, so we're just gonna get it open. So here it is. I open, the first thing I see is instructions. And it looks like this one is going to be pretty easy to open. I think that this whole thing should just come right out. And I was right, it did. The whole inside piece comes right out. There's nothing in there. Put that to the side. So, this is the box, or this is the robot. It's in a clear plastic thing. So let's put that there. And I pulled off the top of the plastic. So yeah, and there is the robot. Okay, kind of cool. Oh wow, okay. Nothing else in there. Oh wow, those arms feel kind of weird. Okay, well. And my grandma said it was pink. It's the only color they had at the store, so that's what I got. It's okay. I really don't care about color. Oh my gosh, those arms just pop right off. That's a little scary. Do they just pop? Oh yeah, they do. They just pop right back in. Okay. All right. So we'll see. Why does it seem like it's tilted to one side? Like, that's odd. Okay. This is a very unusual robot. I don't know who makes it. Apparently a company called Kids Station Toys or something. I don't know, weird name. But from what I can tell, the antenna things are just rubber. The top part of it spins around. And the wheels on the bottom move. So, no, there's no batteries in it. Okay. I didn't think it would have batteries, but you never know. So let's get some batteries. I got to feel around the battery at the bottom to find the compartment. Oh gosh, is that it? This little piece right here, that's the whole battery compartment. Looks like it's got 2 screws. Okay, well, let's get some batteries. I got me a screwdriver. Sorry this is taking me so long. I seriously hope that they don't stand up inside of there. Go. Let me lower the camera a little bit so you can see what I'm working with here. I'm still doing a video. Okay, so like I said earlier, I don't know what this is going to be, but we're gonna find out. Oh, another screw down there. I wonder why the box was so big for such a little thing. Maybe it'll be one of those things that you like pull out the whole battery compartment. I don't know. Okay, that screw is not undone all the way. Oh, look at that. It's my favorite type of battery compartment. Everyone that knows me will know how much I absolutely love those. I seriously hope that I put this thing on the right way, because I can't feel all the way down in there. And I also didn't see on the battery cover which connectors were in what places. Okay, so it looks like the sides with the negative end facing out are going to be on the top right and bottom left. So, yep. I don't feel a spring in there, so we're good. And we're going to pull the other 3 batteries out of that bag. That's another negative, and the other 2 should be positive. Out. All right, so get that screwed on. So now it has batteries, so we're going to turn it on and hope it doesn't fly off the thing. Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh, I might need... Why does this thing like lean to one side? Apparently it's supposed to have motion sensors. Alright, well, I guess we know it works. I'll have to figure out how the thing actually works later. I don't really like those arms, but it works. Okay, so yeah, if anybody knows about this robot, let me know. I downloaded the manual and I'm going to attempt to get to it, like to access it, but my screen reader does not read PDFs. Why is it like lean to one side? That is weird. Okay, well, I don't know. Like, it feels like the thing is bent in half. Like its body is supposed to move like this way, but it doesn't. And I've never, like I said, I've never heard of that company before, so I guess we're fixing to find out how good their robots are. And really, that's kind of a personal opinion, but for me, a good robot is, it does a lot of stuff. It hasn't turned to the craziness that robots today have, where they don't do much because of the kids that play, because the kids that play with them don't play with them that much. Because I feel like that's where robots like this are going now, is kids don't play with them that much, so they don't have to make them do that much. So that's one reason I don't like a lot of the robots now, is they don't do much because they don't get played with. So I feel like the companies just say, we'll just throw something out there just to say we threw something out there. But we'll see. We'll see how good this one is. I've never seen a robot like it before. It's definitely unusual. Apparently they can, two of these can interact together. And they have an app. It has Bluetooth. So we'll have to see how it works. I'll do some testing, figure out how to play with it, and I'll get back to you. So, yep, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.